Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you looking for one app that you can't find in the Amazon App Store? One app for movies and TV shows that'll pretty much all of these? Follow along and I'll show you how. Trust me, you want it on your Amazon device. We need to come over to the Find icon, come down to Search, highlight it, and type in one word, Downloader. D-O-W-N. Downloader comes up here fairly quickly. Highlight the downloader icon and click on it. And here it gives us the ability to get it and download it. Downloader is installed. Let's head to the home screen. And we're going to go all the way to the settings icon, the very far right, and then come down to My Fire TV. Here I have developer options listed. You may not. Don't worry, we'll put it on your device. Highlight About and select it. Now I have Fire TV Stick here. Have it highlighted. Use your remote. Click it about 7 to 10 times. And now it says, congratulations, you are now a developer. Back out one, and let's come down to developer options. Highlight it and select it. Here I have ADB debugging. We can turn it on. And then install unknown apps. Highlight it and select it. And we have downloader available to turn on. Now this enables downloader to sideload applications onto our device, apps that we wouldn't really normally be able to get any other way. Now for a little trick, I'm going to keep this off because when we do install an application, I'll show you what what the system will actually do with downloader. So if you decide to skip this step and you get to the end, be like, what happened? I'll show you what. So let's go back to the home screen. And let's find downloader. So the 3 squares plus sign, highlight that. So highlight downloader. Let's open it up. Yes, allow downloader to access photos, media files on our device. A little start guide. We can click OK. I have a short code for you, which is much simpler. So we can highlight that and type in 546-835. And then we just hit go on our remote. Once the page is loaded, so we can either click on this very first link, which is the download section. So this is our downloads page. Check out the videos, some tutorials, some key point. Let's head down. We're looking for the one app for movies and TV shows. This blue icon, this purple icon, flicks, is what we want to do. Highlight it, select it, comes to the downloads page, and you can head all the way down. Look for the little blue bubble. Here it downloads the installation file. And now this is where downloader needs its authorization to install unknown apps. So we can hit settings and install unknown apps. We can click on it, find downloader, highlight it, and turn it on. People say we jailbreak these. We don't jailbreak them. Jailbreaking is just some term that we use to get your attention for some reason. I don't know why. But we don't jailbreak a Fire Stick. We back out one, twice, and it comes back to the downloaders page to install the application. So we'll hit install. It'll take a few moments to install the app. Down on the bottom right, hit install again. Now that it's installed, highlight done and click on it. And then here, delete the installation file. We no longer need it taking up space on our device. And then yes, delete. And listen, if something goes wrong with this, we always need a backup, right? 3 great apps for your Amazon Fire TV Stick for movies and TV shows. These apps are front and center for your enjoyment. If you guys are looking for more awesome applications on your Amazon Fire TV Stick for sports or live TV, check out one of these videos. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace.